रुक गया.
It's okay. It's calm down. Just putting this medicine. After 5 minutes, we'll bandage. You're gonna be okay, Winter. Speak. Stop.
You got a fracture, no?
Yes. It was broken leg and injured leg.
Nothing. Are you going to leave any nail part open?
Yes, I have to do it.
Okay. So just like the previous one, you leave the two nails.
Yeah. It should be visible so she is able to have a grip while climbing.
She's so still.
So this is a bird. She is 9 years old and she met with an accident. And these birds were left inside the room, and the owners, they came back from outside. They saw she was lying on the floor. Okay, she was lying on the floor. There was a lot of bleeding, and they assumed they immediately brought this bird to here, and she was chewing her own toes. She was badly injured, and when I examined her toes, and she had 50% chewed off paddings of the toes and top layer and the lower layer, and there was no sensation at all. So this is like miracle happening. I'm seeing the result. The toes have healed. There was fracture. It's 80% healed, and she is not showing more symptoms of pain. Only she is limping. So I'm gonna re-bandage. I removed the bandage. I did all the examination. We put the medicine for healing faster. I'm gonna put the bandage once again and gonna leave it for next 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks we'll see how much this recovery is there. So if we feel like we need to keep him on this bandage therapy clinic, we'll do that. If not, so we'll have to keep her for this several therapies for next few weeks, so that it will help in recovering faster. So is she eating well?
Yes.
Just tell what all you have done to save her life. What medication?
I have given a medication in the oral medication in the morning, Meronex, and then water, medicated water with 2 tablets and another medication.
So you did the complete course of
7 days, 1 week, and at night again I give oral medication.
Okay, so all credit goes to the owners. They have done a lot to save this bird's life. Yes, she's screaming. Yeah. Yes, you don't want me to do this, Winter? For most of the time, like up.
No,
like
it's not most of the time. Most of the time it's
lifting
down.
it.
No.
Okay, most of the time she's keeping it down. You can stop the video now. Winter, she is removing off the cotton. Only cotton she is gonna remove off. The remaining that splaining materials she won't be able to. Okay. Take my video. Take me also. So I've done this bandaging, this plaster, just for healing. She has a fracture. She has recovered almost 70%. We want to show you how to do this physiotherapy of the bird. On this toe, you're gonna move it 8 to 10 times. Once in the morning, once in the night. How gently she is sitting. And this one, as you have to apply, hold it like this, then down, straight, down, straight, 8 to 10 times. You have to do this. You have to move it down. Don't pull it up, just down. And what this medicines, we're gonna give it first 2 days, one tablets, then after that 2 tablets. And you know all those rest remaining medicines,
yes.
how to give, when to give.
Yes.
So Winter, you'll be okay, huh? You'll be fine, okay? She'll do this. And she'll get, once she'll settle, she gets used to this bandage, she'll stop doing it. If she plays with the cotton, you can let her do that. Stuff, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna check how much healing is there. And she looks fine. She can walk well. She is not showing any symptoms of pain. There's a lot of bluish and blackishness over here on the thighs, right? It's Winter. Good. Stop. Speak in here. She's eating well.
Yeah.
She's showing a lot of interest in eating.
Yes. Greens also, and also rice and chapati and all.
She eats, no? Don't give rice for more 1 week.
Okay.
You can come close. Winter, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. It's okay. That's great. Very nice. You have done that physiotherapy course, no? I told you to do this. Movement
okay.
of toes.
No,
Yes.
I didn't.
You have to do it, okay?
I'm not even at home actually to do it.
Okay.
It's an online course, what is it?
No, for her, the
Okay.
She's checking out her live toes. Yes, Rylie. Yeah, just turn, it's okay, Winter. Just a minute. She laid egg yesterday, no? Wow. Yes. Hmm?
Why is she so agitated?
She wants to get rid of it. And she's using it, yeah. But there was a lot of gangrene here that's not there anymore. It's pink. It has healed. I can see the fracture is healed 70-75%. She can move her ankle. This is tibia. This is femur. This is ankle. And she was unable to get it into the position. She was unable to move it up and down. She was very much comfortable with this, cast bandage, and now she can move it nicely. I'm so glad to see that she can keep it straight as well. And whenever she wants to lift it.
So it's still bent, no butt?
What do you mean to say?
It's not broken, that means?
It was broken earlier, but now it has healed 70-75%. Now I don't think so there's any need of putting new splint.
Oh.
No need. You'll have to do little bit of therapies. I'll teach you how to do that, and I'll give you some of the medicines you have to rub on his skin, on the feet, ointments, and continue on oral medication. You see that no need to give, but you need to give a rest, lot of rest. Just take a shot. Yes, she is flying, but you see, she is able to move it. You see that? She is using it nicely. Yeah. Winter. Yes, very nice. She can perch. Yes. She is gaining the strength as well. You see that? She's fine. Fine. Stop it, man. Now Winter can bear the weight, and she can balance on that right foot, which was broken, and there was a lot of gangrene infection in that. But now it is healed. She is only because it's painful. Okay, so few days she'll be on the oral painkiller medication and some other supplements. But she can bear her weight. You can see that. That's a good thing. So no need to splinting anymore. She'll be on few therapies and a lot of rest she'll require. Winter, you're a good girl. Just take mine. Yes. Because there is still, the skin hasn't healed. Okay, the skin. Okay. Dead skin is coming off. Fresh skin will so it will take some more time. You'll have to keep on applying that ointment for next 1 week.
With the finger, I have to apply it.
Yes, with the
or
finger.
It's just
with the finger.
Okay.
No, it's okay. She's laid egg. No? I've cleaned the nostril because she was unable to clean her nose. Okay, you can stop it. She is only limping little bit, not much. She'll limp like this for 4 to 5 days. After that, she'll stop limping. Okay, she's lifting her leg. Okay, because it's still painful.
He's He's going to her leg and trying to fidget with it.
Yes, he is also checking out now. Like he knows, he wants to ask, are you okay? How is your leg? You know, just like we people do that. If something goes wrong with our friend or anyone, you want to, you know, he is performing an examination. Yes, Winter, can you walk? And she was doing this, you know, test walk. Is she able to walk properly? She's just checking out, huh? See that, okay? So what I'm showing you, this is ointment. It's for healing. She wants to get out of my grip. You will gently hold her, secure her face. Just cover her so that she won't, you know, lick on it. And you have to, after applying, distract her for 5 to 7 minutes so that she won't lick it.
If she licks it, is it going to be a problem?
No, but still it should be avoided. You have to distract her. And you can do this, you know, foam massage like this. I'm holding. You have to do this massage 7 to 8 times morning, 7 to 8 times evening, and you have to apply this ointment 2 times in a day. Alright? And don't hold her like this, you know, don't grab her for a long time. This one you will continue. This you can stop.
Okay.
This you'll give for more 3 days. Only once a day.
In the water.
Yeah, in the water.
And this also 2 tablets in the same water.
Yes, same water. These can be given at the same time, both together, no problem. But once you put this in the water, after 4 hours you have to discard the water. If once you're putting this in the water, it can last for 8 hours.
Okay.
So it will stay fresh for 8 hours. After that you have to change the water.
Okay, got it.
Winter, you okay? I'm so sorry.